Hello everyone and welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy and super quick candy cane ornament. You will need some yarn. I used a 3mm cotton cord, 6mm crochet hook, scissors and tapestry needle. For decorating you can add Jute twine or a yarn in different color. Start by making 15 chains. Turn and work in back loops only. In the third chain from the hook, make 1/2 double crochet. In the next 4 loops, make 2 half double crochets into each. This creates the curve of the candy cane. Make 1/2 double crochet in the next 8 stitches. Chain 2 and pull and cut the yarn. Using a tapestry needle, join both ends. Now you can decorate the candy cane like I did, or simply add a little hanging loop. The important final touch is ironing it with a damp cloth or towel on top, so it keeps its shape.